I'm like Bear Grylls.
Please, Jesus, give her strength.
I'm laying hands on the car. I am selling the Veloster. Like, sure, it pretty much has the same engine as an Elantra, and sure, it's not fast at all. And sure, the transmission's made out of glass. But when I tell you this car is fun, this car is fun. So why am I selling it? Well, to put it in short, I think it's gonna blow up. I'm quite scared that it's gonna explode. Transmission's made of glass. The engine is known for problems at this specific mileage range that I'm in, and also every other mileage range now that I think about it. And also, this is a 2012. This was a first-year car, first-year dual clutch from Hyundai. So yes, as of this week, this car should be for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Unfortunately, it's sad. It's really sad. Now in the comments below, see if you can guess what I'm gonna get next, because the only hint I'm gonna give you is that it's similar. It's very similar. That is interesting. The Civic is dead. It's so unfortunate. It's so unfortunate. And it has very mysterious problems. Yeah. Is that like foot to the floor?
No, I'm not giving it gas, but the thing is, nothing is... I have steering, but see, it's on right now. And I have no...
And your radio's on.
My radio's on, but none of this. I can't put my windows up. I can't do this. But then it does start. If I do, I'll start it and give it some gas. Now we'll start. This is what it usually does.
It's got to be a fuel pump.
That's what I said.
I said fuel pump, but then it's weird because why wouldn't this turn on?
That is true.
I say electrical, but because if the battery cuts,
it'll turn the car. Once the car turns on, the only thing it needs is air and fuel to keep going.
Well, I was thinking maybe it's just out of gas, but then why would this not turn on, and why is it goofy?
I think you could, I would say you could also, it could be like your fuel line. It was parked in the grass, so you'd have no idea if it leaked. You have no idea if you have fuel.
No idea.
No clue.
We could start.
We could stick a hose in it and just try to suck some fuel out and see if you have any.
Why don't we just go put some more in?
How are you gonna drive the car?
We drive EJ's car.
Yes.
Bro, you should ask in the comments what everybody thinks it is. Because we're probably too stupid.
Yeah. I want you guys to guess what is wrong with this car in the comments, because I'm going to say that we're going to fix it in this video. But I also don't know what's wrong with it.
Because you could magically have a mechanic.
Yeah.
And they solve our
problem. Yeah, there's a whole lot of comment mechanics in my comments. If all else fails, we can go to my house. I have a gas tank.
You have an empty gas tank because all of ours are full.
It's not empty, but I could just put the rest of the gas in my car. I'll just have to fill it back up. So it looks like it's the Veloster saving the day here. But I haven't told y'all guys what happened. This has been a week where I feel like I should just hang the keys up for a month or so. So I absolutely wrecked my wheel, and it was so much worse than it looks. And on top of that, dang. And on top of that, I had a little run-in with the law, and now let's just say I have a court date, like 3 days after my birthday. It's going great, I'll say. So we're in my garage now. I found a frog and I need it, so I'm gonna catch it. Come back.
The frog jump scare a second ago was priceless, though.
Oh, Bell, look at this guy.
Oh.
I'm like Bear Grylls.
I thought you just killed the frog.
Me too. Let's set him free.
Just yeet him, bro. Bro, that's literally the equivalent of throwing me like 3 stories.
He's fine.
Bro, he's gone.
All right, so we got some gas for the Civic. Drink up, my child. Oh.
Again, thirsty little honey badger.
Please, Jesus, give her strength.
I'm laying hands on the car.
Blueberry, I bless you.
Come on. Give it gas.
What?
Give it gas while you're starting it. Come on, keep it going, keep it going.
I'm assuming the battery is just dying or something, or getting cut off.
Well, that's lighting up.
Yeah, I know, but usually it gives me all of my lights and all of my speed and everything.
Oh, yeah, it does do like a system check. I remember that. We need to get like the codes read.
But how would you do that?
That is a valid point.
If I can't.
There's obviously something electrical going on, but I think that's a side effect. Oh, wait. Go again. Hey, they're both working. I didn't even do anything. Oh, wait, no, I did fix it last time. I forgot. Yeah, Oxedo. Big W's. What is wrong with it?
Look it up.
What if it there's a million reasons it could crank and not start. It can't be overheating because it's not heated. It's gotta be hot to overheat. I honestly don't know. This is a weird combination of problems. Wait. I just realized.
What?
It could be fuel pump because whenever you do that, it's supposed to prime the fuel pump.
On the drag Supras. Now when you start them, they go. Is that the fuel pump?
Yeah, that is.
Is that kind of yours, but it's just not as loud?
Listen.
Oh, that little.
Yeah.
And mine wasn't doing that.
Yeah. It wasn't doing that. It is currently the next day now, and I figured I'd probably better tell you about the little tiny incident that happened the other day and why I have to go to court now. My parents were actually away for like a week, so I had a lot of free time on my hands, and I got bored. So I decided, I'm gonna go to AutoZone and see if I could get some exhaust fixed for this car because it has an exhaust leak somewhere behind the headers, and it's annoying. So I go out. I was minding my own business. I was being good. I was driving like a good person, and then I saw a really nice parking lot that is very slippery that this car loves to slide on. And one thing kind of led to another, and now I'm being prosecuted. If you're subscribed to my channel, you've probably already seen the video, but I'll just roll it here. Now, my plan actually wasn't to stay long. I just wanted to get one good drift and then leave. So I went around the first time. And I got the back end to kick out, but it wasn't really that good. So I decided, I'll go around one more time. That one was pretty all right. That's when I should have left right there. But I was like, I feel like I can do better than that. So I went for one more slide. And that's where I made a grave mistake. Easy from the dash cam footage. This slide was actually going really well. I'm not gonna lie. This was the most beautiful, most perfect slide. I'm talking like, I was behind the wheel like, oh my gosh, this is actually really good. And I was going to come out of it and then just drive away. As I'm yanking the handbrake, giving it gas, giving it a little steer, feeling incredible, out of the corner of my eye, I see blue lights, and I'm like, oh, I am screwed. And I was. Slammed on the brakes, came to a stop, and then the cop slowly made her way all the way around, and then we had a little chat, and this is how it went.
What you got going on, bud?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I was just having some fun, I guess. I'm sorry.
It's not fun when you flip your car over. You have your license?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not gonna lie, I had no idea how to address this cop when she came up here because I didn't know what to expect. But she was actually pretty chill. She was concerned about me flipping the car over doing 15 miles an hour in a parking lot. But hey, I can see where she's coming from. I'm not tripping about that at all. And I'm also not tripping that she wrote me the ticket because a lot of people will say it was on private property. Well, I obviously didn't ask whoever's private property that was, so I deserve the ticket. The only thing I'll say I had going for me was that I did it in the rain. I only drift in the rain. Well, I only used to drift in the rain, so I wouldn't leave tire marks. I hate leaving tire marks places. The only time I've ever left tire marks anywhere was when I did this stupid stuff in the Versa. So that leads to now. Basically, the lady caught me for laying drag, which I'll put the definition right up here. Yeah, and I'm guilty. I'm pleading guilty when I go to court because I don't have time for this. And if you think this is bad, on top of that, I had to take her order in Chick-fil-A. I work at Chick-fil-A. She came through. It was the most awkward minute of my life. Here I am putting a car description in, and then I instantly recognize her, and we make eye contact, and just like, ooh. So yeah, that's how my week's been going. And then on top of that, shortly later, I absolutely demolished a curb in this car. I don't even know how I did this. My guess is that I was checking for cross traffic and then just straight up didn't see the curb because when you see the video, this is the dumbest stuff I've ever seen in my life. And you know that blue car that passed by? That was my coworker who then proceeded to go inside and tell everybody in the store. I think it might be best if I just hang up the keys for now because this is getting ridiculous. Also, the car is still for sale if you want to buy it. I'm just gonna have to spray paint over that place where I scratched the wheel and then probably put that mirror cap back on. Well, it seems like today's video is pretty much all bad news, and it pretty much is now that I think about it. The Civic is cooked, and we do actually have an update on that. We're taking it to Honda because we have absolutely no idea what we're doing. I almost got a reckless driving ticket, and now I have to go to court, and then I absolutely oopsied a curb, and I still don't know how I did that because I thought I ran over with my back wheel. I ran that thing over head on. My front wheel went up the curb, down the curb, and then my back wheel went up, over, down, then up the other side of the curb, over and down. That felt worse than the car accident I was in. Anywho, sorry for the short video. I'm gonna have some new stuff coming out very soon. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm the Dude Sporado. Be sure to have a blessed day and pray for those ops. Pray for the ops for me. This is the parking lot that I was sliding in. See, there's absolutely no one here.